Important questions about Krebs cycle. First one, what is Krebs cycle? The cyclic pathway that occur in the mitochondrial matrix during aerobic respiration was first discovered by Sir Hans Krebs. Hence it is called Krebs cycle. Where it occurs is it occurs in the mitochondrial matrix. What happens during Krebs cycle? The pyruvic acid or acetyl coenzyme A that enter into mitochondrial matrix undergo oxidation and decarboxylation. What are the other names for Krebs cycle is Krebs cycle is also called as tricarboxylic acid cycle or organic acid cycle or citric acid cycle. In this cycle, so many 6 carbon acids are formed. The one and only 5 carbon acid formed is the alpha ketoglutarate acid.